So I'm here in my garage and I'm turning it into a smart garage. I went on Aliexpress and got this smart garage where you can use an app to open and close the garage. You can use Google Voice. No, what's it called? Google Assistant. Yeah. And it uses Wi-Fi and it turns your old garage into a smart garage. I bought it for roughly about $20 on Aliexpress. Is it a good deal? I don't know. Don't mind me using a lawnmower that is covered in dust as a table. In the box, you'll come with a few screws, mounting brackets, 3M tape, zip ties, charging block, and this piece that goes on the other side of the garage door, and then this piece, which might look intimidating, but it might not be. So the idea is you take this, you plug this in, give it power. You take these cords, you screw them in to your existing garage door opener, and then this just sits on the other end of the garage door and interacts with this other piece to tell if the garage door is open or closed. I don't think there's more explaining to do, so let's just get it installed. After struggling to get the ladder open for however long that was, I would like to say 5 minutes. We can go ahead and start. Ooh. Okay. Don't need that right now. First, let's unplug the actual thing so I don't shock myself.
What did you do? What is going on?
What happened?
I don't need you to laugh at me right now, so I will tell you all later.
What did you do?
What did you do? Okay. So I finally got it wired in. I'm not sure if you had to do this on yours, if you're planning to do this, but I had to strip it because the wires were too short. Take this part all the way that way. This will be the part that goes on the actual garage door. Don't get my struggling.
The struggle is what makes it interesting.
The struggle is what they don't need to see. Right there. Now I need the ladder again. We're a top-notch production crew. Right, where?
Right.
Can you hand me that air duster? You used the last little bit of it.
Maybe you should actually clean it. Oh.
Is that right?
Maybe. This is a good angle.
It's not really. I'm mad at the camera. That's why I don't know why it's not gonna record like it's supposed to. Duct tape fixes everything, right?
Yeah.
That's what I thought. Alright. And back to normal. So we got power. Use my phone to set it up. What's really left is downloading the Smart Life app and an account. Let me just sign up real quick. But really is what's left is in the setup. Alright, you click add device, garage door opener. There you go. And have it connect to the Wi-Fi. Alright guys, so the camera, the lighting is not great at the moment because it is later on in the day after I finish setting it up and setting up the app and everything with it. So, but I did want to show you live on camera that it actually works from your phone. I just been having camera troubles. I had an SD card adapter break inside the camera, allowing me to not even use the SD card that I put in it because it said it wouldn't detect. But that's all fixed now, and I'm ready to show you.
And in here,
you
can just hit the little button,
and
yeah, it's opening.
It's opening.
And I can stop it
midway,
and then
close
it back down.
So as you can see, it does work, and it actually gives you notifications on whether it's been opened or been closed, and by who, depending on if your other family members download the app as well, so that they can open it and close it with their phone. You can also set up little tap to switch options, like you just hit one button and it'll open the garage door and turn on this and turn on that if you connect more devices to it. I highly recommend this $20 smart garage setup. It was a little bit difficult to set up but if you're a little bit technically savvy like I am, then this will be a no deal for you, and it's just the easy 1-2 project. I'll just definitely be ordering some more different smart gadgets from them or from Aliexpress, more or less, to see what others home automations that I can do. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and if I should do more stuff like this where you actually come with me and I set it up with you live on camera. Let's go watch some more videos.